All right, we just looked at writing a percent as a decimal. So now let's look at writing a decimal as a percent. All right, so I'm going to go back to my 100 grid. And here I have colored in 48 out of the 100 blocks that I have here. I've colored in 48 out of 100. So if I was going to write this as a decimal, I would have 48 hundredths. Okay, this is 48 hundredths. If this whole block was 1, this would be 48 hundredths of my block. All right, so I want to write 48 hundredths as a percent. So what I'm going to do to get to the percent is I'm actually going to multiply it by 100. When I multiply by 100, I'm getting 2 place values greater. So I'm going to move my decimal point over 2 jumps. So I'm going to have 48%. So 48 hundredths multiply by 100 to make 48%. This is the opposite of what we did when we changed from percent to a decimal. When we went from percent to a decimal, we divided by 100. We're going from a decimal to percent. We're going to multiply by 100. Let's do another example. What if I had 15 hundredths? Let's multiply by 100 to get 15%. What if I had 36 hundredths? I would multiply it by 100 to get 36%. You can see that the values and our place value are not changing. We're only changing where our decimal is going. All right. Let's try something else. Let's if we had 9.23 times 100. Again, I'm moving my decimal point over 2, so I would have 923%. So again, all we're doing is we're moving our decimal point 2 places to the right to multiply by 100. So today you're going to practice both changing from decimals to percents and also moving from percents to decimals.